of all, let me welcome all of you. It's always interesting how we change our leadership every year, and at the same time FICCI continues to follow its agenda for business. And at the beginning of the term, every president comes out with his own priorities and his own vision as to what he or she would like to do during the year. So I think if I can talk about a little bit about the current economic situation, and in that context why I have set the priorities and what I would like to do in the manner that I have. Essentially, I think the biggest issue that is facing us in business today is that the government would like to bring about a lot of change and a lot of reforms which would ultimately help in the economic growth of this country, but is unable to reach consensus, and consensus both within and without, that means within their own government as well as outside the government with the opposition and opposition parties. So the real priority that I would like to lay down as my priority is to work very, very closely with all the players and actors who are involved in decision making to ensure that this kind of consensus is brought about. And it is my belief that part of this is happening because there is not enough sensitization or understanding of the issues that are important for economic growth, and sometimes they get mired in some kinds of political rhetoric just because you feel that that is not the right thing to happen, or you feel that that is the right thing to happen. And so, in one word, bringing about consensus. And how do we intend to do that? And the manner in which we wish to do it has been unveiled somewhat already yesterday afternoon in a session that was attended by the Minister for Commerce and Industry, Mr. Anand Sharma, where we presented a report which has been done by Bain and Company called Empowering India. Now the concept behind this report is really to identify the best practices that the states are following in terms of their economic policies and what is it that is attracting industry to those particular states. And in a kind of nutshell, there were 10 issues which were taken up in this report, and at least we now have a platform which we really need to build upon, and then we carry the message to the other states and build on this engagement with the states. So my priority in building consensus is really to try and visit at least 15 states during my tenure to sensitize, educate, change thinking, and try and see how we can build consensus for furthering the economic reform process. And the basis of this